Hey, good morning, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Namaskaram, my name is Nikhil.
Namaskaram everyone, I'm Bani and I welcome you all to
The Sorry TV. So Think Music India dropped official lyrics video for Thamizan Part 2.
Yes.
Right, we're sorry if you're pronouncing it incorrect, and we're hoping it's a lyrical video. It might have some English context in it or not. We thought of giving a reaction to it. If it's going to be purely visual, so we'll try to make things out of it.
Yes.
So it's going to be kind of interesting. It's going to be kind of interesting that how an unknown to a language reacts to just the visuals, and we'll try to decipher it at the end. Do watch the video to the end to know how we react to it.
Yes.
And do correct us below, like if we get all wrong. Apologies,
yes,
because
there's a huge language barrier.
Yes.
And we are actually new to this language.
Yes. And what you guys can do is, if you like our reactions, or if you're new to our channel, you can hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so that you follow us and never miss a video from us. You can also follow us on the Instagram handle, which is known as Insta with Nick. Must be popping up here.
Yes.
Without wasting any time,
jumping into the video.
Madhav
Balaji Cup of Lessons. I think we can understand. The company.
This is Telugu. Guys, let us know if it's correct. I mean, we've been to Coimbatore, Sadhguru's ashram. So we've seen like the text is written like Telugu. Just let us know.
Just let us know. Arre, the entry.
I like this new start. I mean, we're not able to understand a thing out of it.
Not even a single word, but this music is fantastic.
Music is very good. The background music is very
music.
good. और जो पीछे वो आ रहा है ना, ड्रम्स जो बज रहे हैं.
And
अगर आपको स्कूल में, if you guys remember in school, if you have attended any PT sessions, so there is like the big drum like boom, boom, boom. इसमें वो बज रहा है. So like in Punjabi it's called nagara. Like if you look, and I love this person's beard. I love this person's
beard. And remember इनकी जो entry हुई थी.
मैं story cook up करूँगा.
Normal.
We'll try to cook up the story. I'll tell you my version of the story.
Okay,
you tell me
I'll hit my version of the story.
ठीक है. Okay.
പുഴുതികാട്ട മലടിയാക്കി നരക വാഴു വാണ്ടിയേ നലക്കനി മതിച്ച വസന്തിടലാ തിരുത്തിര മലയിൽ സൂക്ഷിടലാ അറുപട മുരുകന തുണയിരുപ്പാലല്ല ഇടമൊടിയട വിളങ്ങിരുപ്പാ പര പര ഇന്ന തമിഴ വരലാറ്റ് തിരുത്തി എഴുതൂത്തലൈവൻ 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 ആടേ കിളി കിളിക്ക നല്ലത് തപ്പിടിച്ച് നാടും പറയടിക്ക നല്ല കാലം കിളിച്ച് കുങ്കുമവും സന്തനവും വെട്ടിയെന്നു വട്ടിടിച്ച് കൊണ്ടപ്പെട്ട കൊണ്ടമിത് കൊണ്ടയും കൊട്ടിടിച്ച് തന്നന്തനി നാട് ഇല്ല തമിഴ്നാട് നീ തന്നു കെട്ടി പോറതിന്റെ വെളിനാട് കൊണ്ടയെന്ന് വാഴ വെച്ചു തമിഴ്നാട് നീ വേല ചെയ്യാഴി തരുമയക്കാട്
Ranjit Kumar.
Ranjit Kumar.
Music on Think Music. So we just got, I just got few words, Tamil Nadu, okay? And that was rhyming with something called well करके कुछ था. I'm really sorry guys, but
वो मतलब याद है but आ नहीं रहा.
if I see it, I mean I was not able to read it because
Yes.
it was going fast. So the song Thamizan Pattu, which featured
Silimbaran TR.
Simbalasan TR as Ishwaran. In as
Ishwaran,
Ishwaran.
yes.
So what is the story did you cook out of it?
Okay. What?
Short and crisp.
Short and crisp. A very short and crisp. I'll just tell that there is a region, like there is a city, you can say a small town, or maybe a little village,
ठीक है.
where there is a boy, the heroic boy,
हाँ.
and loved by all families. And the character is a strong character in terms of fighting, in terms of love, in terms of affection, and in terms of helping other people. So I think it's about that.
Okay, I'm kind of on the same lines. Just they might be a person. What do you call that? Silimbaran TR sir.
Yes.
As Ishwaran in the town and very famous person.
Very
yes.
famous in the town.
And there was some puja ceremony that is going on,
Yes.
and he is like popular there in helping others. And there is one other girl who with him he is flirting. Like
Yes.
when he goes and gajra touch karke nikal gaye.
I think that's not the girl. I think she's her mother. She's his mother.
Nahin,
I think
I
so.
do not know that, but just correct us
I
guys.
think so. Yes. Either mother or the girl.
Very vast differences.
Yes.
ठीक है. This happens when you do not understand language.
Yes.
So
But okay, apart from the lyrics that we did not understand, let's just focus on the music part and the video.
that's what I'm saying, right?
Yes.
So on the township part, he is playing as a very heroic character.
Yes.
On the video part was fine because they mentioned they actually gave the back side of the camera view, like who were the DOPs, who were the cinematographers, who were the lyricists of the songs, and Ishwaran here as the character is.
And
I love his beard. I love his mustache.
Yes. And I noticed one thing, the song is recorded during the pandemic time. They were all wearing the mask.
I mean, if you record it right now, only you're gonna wear the mask as well.
Yes,
So
yes,
we do
yes.
not know, but it is released like few days back.
In December 2020.
Yes. So and hitting charts, but we do not know, guys. Please, apologies if we hurt any sentiments of just testing the language.
Yes.
We didn't mean to. We didn't mean to do
You guys
that.
can help us to know what the story is all about.
Right,
Basically. Yes.
right.
So that we can actually have a bigger picture. Okay, this is the story. This is the main story. Basically.
Right.
But I like one thing in the video, Nikhil. There was an amalgamation of so many pictures,
Right.
and from the pictures, the main actor came out.
The person who actually did the editing on
Yes.
the video is like fantastic. I mean,
Fantastic.
it was the transitions when he was just in a static moment and then he turns back and starts singing with the sync of his voice and then he turns on the bells. So वो
Yes.
बहुत epic था. That was the
Very
epic part
nice.
of it. So it
I
is
like the video actually.
It is not a video that they just created for fun. It was really a efforted video for like days. A person had edited this video.
And very vast colors we used.
Yes, this
Very
is
colourful
in
video.
the South Indian culture.
Yes,
The
this is
colors
in
are
the South
vast.
Indian, the colors are vast, and the entry of the main lead is
Like
super fantastic.
like it's like PT.
Yes. Boom.
Alright guys, if you have liked our review, It's not a review. It's just fun, I would say.
Yes.
Apologies if we didn't do it well, but this is something we really enjoyed. We loved the music. We didn't understand the lyrics, but we actually can understand the beat. We actually can understand the attitude of the person, and that's how we did it. If you have liked it, do hit the like button and drop us in the comment section how you guys are doing. You can also follow us on the Insta handle with the name Insta with Nick.
Yes, and if you have not subscribed our channel, please subscribe our channel by hitting the subscribe button and then the bell icon so that you never miss a video from us.
This is me, Nikhil, signing off.
This is me, Bani, signing off.
Adios.